Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to send Bitcoin from Coinbase to Kucoin in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process has gotten even more secure and efficient, but it's crucial to get it right to avoid any costly mistakes. Whether you're looking to trade on Kucoin for better options or just diversify your holdings, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Kucoin, and that your Bitcoin is in your Coinbase wallet. Start by logging into your Coinbase account using a secure device and enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a must in 2025 for added security. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard and select the Accounts tab. Find your Bitcoin wallet and click on it. Now, look for the Send or Withdraw button. Depending on the updated interface, it might be labeled slightly differently, but it's usually prominent. This is where the magic happens. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address. Head over to your Kucoin account, go to your Bitcoin wallet, and copy the deposit address. Paste this carefully into the To field on Coinbase. Double-check it. Crypto addresses are long and unforgiving, so one wrong character could send your Bitcoin to the void. Now, specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Remember, in 2025, transaction fees might vary based on network congestion, so check the estimated fees beforehand to avoid surprises. Once you're happy with the details, hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify this through an email or auth app. After confirmation, sit tight. Transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the Bitcoin network. Keep an eye on your Kucoin account to confirm the deposit. Pro tip: use blockchain explorers like blockchain.com to track your transaction in real time. Finally, once it's done, celebrate your successful transfer. Always prioritize security by using hardware wallets for larger amounts and staying updated on any regulatory changes in 2025. If you run into issues, reach out to Coinbase or Kucoin support quickly. Thanks for watching. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next one.